Driver don't pick the car. Car pick the driver. Car pick the driver. It's a mystical bond between man and machine. It's a mystical bond between man and machine.
What's your name?
What's up, everybody? It's a nice cool morning out here in Greenwood. You can see I got that beetle all tore up over there. Fritz is on the other side of the house, and then here is Dijon, soon to be some sort of Bumblebee Replica. Soon is probably an overstatement, but today I'm going to get all that rat's nest out of there because none of it's going to be necessary. And get the gas tank out and maybe get that as cleaned out as I possibly can. And then we'll go from there. I mean, that's not a huge amount of work, but my tools are pretty limited. I don't think I have a 1/4-inch drive ratchet for some reason. In case you're not familiar with Dijon, I picked this car up for $200 and some odd in Georgia. It's just a shell. Knew that. No motor. Don't need it. Gonna throw it on an S10 or a Blazer chassis, something like that, and have a little bit of a lifted off-road Baja amalgamation of a Beetle. Something I don't have to wash, something that can look super duper ratty just the way it is, but it'll drive like a Blazer, and it'll be able to go to cars and coffee events and stuff, because where I live, if you have a regular Volkswagen motor, not only would it take me 2 hours plus to get to any cars and coffee event, but it would just be a strain on the car all the time at 50 miles an hour. And as much as I love a good Volkswagen engine, and I have one with Fritz up there, that ain't gonna cut it. One of these classic Beetles needs to be able to go to events. The other one has the Volkswagen engine in it. It is not seized up or anything. It's good as far as I know. We're gonna have to go through it at some point eventually, but right now, waiting on Chris to get over here for some other things that aren't related to this, but I'm sure there will be shortly once he sees me working on the car. But I'm going to try and get this bull crap out of here, and this will just be part one of this video, because eventually, if you are familiar, you can see that this car has been moved from around the front of the house, took it to the back, because we've got to get this body off of this chassis so we can put this body on a different chassis once I track one down. I think I have tracked one down. I just got to track down some money. So yeah, the car's not going to look a whole bunch different when it's done. Just it'll have a back window, and it'll be taller and have a 5-lug conversion on it. Well, the whole chassis conversion. Alright, hood off. Still a mess. Gonna start cleaning this bullshit and yank the tank. On second thought, since I don't need any of that bull crap, and I don't feel like touching any of that bull crap, I'm just gonna yank the tank and then rinse this whole bitch out here, and then start chopping wires. Gas tank's out, hood's off, gas tank's out. Wiring, still a jumble, but 90% of mouse turds and walnuts, things of that nature, gone. Now I know what this actually looks like structurally. That's nice. I'm definitely not nervous to throw this on a different chassis.